Welcome to the world of musical sound, where the elements of pitch, rhythm, and timbre come together to create a rich tapestry of sound. In this tutorial, we'll explore the fundamental building blocks of music. Let's start with the basics of sound itself. Sound is created by vibrations, which travel through the air as waves. These waves have frequency, amplitude, and timbre, which our ears perceive as pitch, loudness, and tone quality. Let's explore how these elements interact. The elements of musical sound can be found in a wide range of instruments, from the soaring melodies of the flute to the deep rhythms of the drum. Each instrument has its own unique characteristics, which contribute to the rich diversity of sound. The sound spectrum is a visual representation of the frequencies that make up a sound. By analyzing the spectrum, we can gain a deeper understanding of the elements that contribute to a sound's unique character. The human voice is a remarkable instrument, capable of producing a wide range of sounds and emotions. By understanding how the voice works, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the art of singing and the power of vocal expression. Rhythm and meter are the underlying structures that give music its sense of pulse and flow. By understanding how rhythm and meter work, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the art of music and the power of rhythmic expression. When multiple instruments come together, they create a rich and complex sound that is greater than the sum of its parts. By understanding how different instruments interact, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the art of music and the power of ensemble playing. A music composition is a complex interplay of melodic, harmonic, and rhythmic elements. By understanding how these elements work together, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the art of music and the power of composition. The art of music is a powerful expression of human emotion and creativity. By understanding the elements of musical sound, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the art of music and the power of musical expression. Thanks for watching. Visit Musicogram for interactive apps and more music theory tutorials. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the elements of musical sound, and we look forward to exploring more of the world of music with you.
Hi there! Waving to say goodbye. See you later. Bye-bye. Watch this! Feel the wave!